but rheological structure remain stable for all of our formulations. The next striking parameters is water holding capacity and waste analysis. According to these graphs, as you can see, the plant-based yogurts showed the highest value of water holding capacity and lowest value of waste analysis due to incorporation with buckwheat protein, buckwheat starch, and polysaccharides like pectin. It can lead to strengthen our formulations and gel formations. The next parameters is texture profile analysis, or TPA. As you can see in these graphs, the highest values of firmness, thickness, and stiffness was related to CM or cow milks, which indicating the casein, which indicating the casein protein has a strong role for our formulations and for these parameters. But the highest value of stiffness was for CNM, coconut-based matrices like CNM and CNMG. The next important parameters is viability of lactic acid bacteria during storage for our samples. According to international data federations, the acceptable range of lactic acid bacteria, viable lactic acid bacteria before consumption is 6 to 7, at least should be 6 to 7 lakh CFU per grams. And all of our samples maintains this proper range. And especially coconut-based matrices, CNM and CNMG, supported the lactic acid bacteria viability. As a part of our project, we surveyed the viability of lactic acid bacteria under harsh condition of gastrointestinal tract. For this survey, we followed the InfoGest protocol as a standard protocol in the world for simulation of gastrointestinal tract, which contains 3 different phases: oral phase, gastric phase, and intestinal phase. According to our results, the minimal reduction were observed during oral and gastric phases, and the significant differences were observed in intestinal phase. But CNMG, or coconut milk yogurt fortified with ginger, showed the highest stability in SIF, or simulation of intestinal phase. The last parameters that we surveyed in this project was sensory evaluation. For this evaluation, we just consider 3 parameters like flavor, appearance, and oral acceptability. Our data shows the ginger can improve oral acceptability and no significant differences in attributes. As a key takeaway, I have to say, ginger fortification enhances stability and functionality of coconut yogurts. Finally, I would say we acknowledge and so thankful the support of Virginia State University for their collaboration and contribution in this project. Thank you.